Hello everyone, wishing you a very happy new year. So now let's move on to the third problem in this sorting and searching section, Ferris wheel. There are n children who want to go to a Ferris wheel and your task is to find a gondola for each child. Each gondola may have one or two children in it, and in addition the total weight in a gondola may not exceed X. You know the weight of every child. What is the minimum number of gondolas needed for the children? So you are given n children and you know the weight of the children's, that is given in an array, and you are given a value x. X is the total weight in a gondola that may not exceed, like the maximum weight for each gondola is x, and in each gondola you can keep at most two children. You cannot keep more than two children in one gondola, so you have to find the minimum number of gondolas. Okay, so let's see this input, like n is 4 and x is 10, and the children weights are 7, 2, 3 and 9. So for first gondola you can place the child with weight 9. Now you can't place any other children in that gondola as the sum will exceed the sum of their weights will exceed 10. And now one gondola is filled with 9. Now we take the second gondola and we place the child with weight 7 and with the child with the weight 3, so the sum of the weights is 10. It's equal to the maximum weight, so we can keep them both in the same gondola, and the third left child we will place him in a separate gondola. So the total gondolas we kept is 3. तो तुम क्या करोगे, पहले एक सबसे भारी वाला ले लोगे क्योंकि उसे तो मतलब डालना ही है ना तुम्हें एक गोंडोला में या जो भी कह लो तुम, तो फिर उसके बाद तुम उसे डालोगे, फिर उसमें तुम देखोगे कि कुछ एक्स्ट्रा स्पेस बच रही है, एक्स्ट्रा वेट है कुछ, हम उसमें जो ऐड ऑन कर सकते हैं तो हम उसमें डाल देंगे. अगर हम एक्स्ट्रा वेट ऐड ऑन नहीं कर पा रहे तो हम नेक्स्ट गोंडोला में शिफ्ट हो जाएंगे. ठीक है, तो वैसे हमने करा, पहले हमने यहाँ पे 9 ले लिया. 9 हमने लिया पहली बार में, पहले गोंडोला में 9 वाला वेट ऐड कर दिया. अब हमारा मैक्सिमम हमारा 10 है जो हम उसमें ऐड कर सकते हैं. तो अब हमारे पास एक वेट की कैपेसिटी हम पे और है, पर अब जो हम पे 3 चिल्ड्रन बचे हैं वो 2, 3 और 7 है, तो हम नहीं रख सकते, तो हमें सेकंड गोंडोला लेना ही पड़ेगा. ठीक है, तो अब 9 हमने रख दिया. अब हमारा 7, अब हम सेकंड जो सबसे सेकंड भारी है वो 7 वेट का है हमने, ठीक है, इसे नेक्स्ट गोंडोला में रख दिया. 7 सबसे भारी वाला उठाना है और उसके साथ देखना है कि अगर उसमें कोई जगह खाली है तो हम एक हल्के वेट वाला ऐड कर देंगे. तो जैसे यहाँ पे हमने 2 ऐड कर दिया. फिर हम थर्ड गोंडोला लेंगे क्योंकि ये वाला तो फिल हो गया है. फिर थर्ड गोंडोला में हम जो लास्ट बचा होगा वो ऐड कर देंगे. So now let's consider one more test case. Here n is equals to 5 and x is equals to 10, and the weight of the children are 7, 2, 3, 9 and 8. So we will first sort the array like this. Okay, now what we will do the same process. We will take the first gondola and we will place the heaviest children, and we'll see if there is place for any children. If we place the child with weight 2, then it will exceed the sum 10, so we will not place him. We will move on to the second gondola. Now what we will do, we take the children with this maximum weight. Now maximum weight is 8 and we see that capacity is remaining of weight 2 and we have a child of weight 2, so we take this 8 and we take this 2 and we place them in a gondola, and the sum is 10, which is equal to the limit, so we can place them. Now only 3 and 7 are left and you can place them as their sum is 10. So now let's code it. First of all we have to take input n and x. Then we'll take the input now we'll sort the array. Now we'll create the 2 pointers, first pointing to the start and second to the end, and we will move while s is less than equal to I, and if a of s plus, we will take the first and the last element. If their sum is less than equal to x, then only we will move the first pointer ahead. and every time otherwise we have we have to always decrease the end pointer, because there are two cases. In one case there will be space for a child with minimum weight, means there will be place for a child from the first pointer, and the second case will be when there is no place for the child with the minimum weight, that is only one child is there from the end pointer. Okay, and we increase the result, we count here the number of gondolas needed, and we see out result. So this was all for this video. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please make sure to give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends, and please make sure that you subscribe to this channel for more such problem solving videos. Thank you.